Tesla Texas Gigafactory. Elon Musk recently proved himself to be the perfect fit for the famous Texas saying, "Go big or go home." Tesla has finally opened their Texas Gigafactory and welcomed fans to the opening, which was called Cyber Rodeo at Giga, Texas. In today's video, we'll give you a quick rundown of what the Gigafactory actually is and what we can expect from it in the future. So let's jump right in. The Texas Gigafactory is located on approximately 2,100 acres of land east of the Austin-Bergstrom International Airport and has about 2 miles of exposure to the Colorado River. Additionally, it is the largest factory in America and the largest building in the world by volume. Pretty crazy, right? Musk previously predicted that his Gigafactory in Texas will require an investment of over $10 billion, but given how popular electric vehicles are becoming, we're sure he'll get his money back in no time. The company claims that it will hire up to 5,000 workers at an average salary of $47,147, with entry-level positions starting at $35,000. This is some great news for locals. In exchange for this generous employment plan, the local government in Texas has given tax breaks and incentives to the company that is already worth millions of dollars. The Gigafactory is guaranteed to bring in loads of profit for Tesla, so this really is a win-win situation. Enjoying the video so far? Well, why don't you go ahead and smash those like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. The Texas factory is predicted to be the site where, starting in 2023, Tesla will produce its long-delayed Cybertruck. News that the Cybertruck would be delayed first emerged last year, but now things are certainly looking optimistic. Besides the Cybertruck, Tesla also intends to build Model Ys and Model 3s specifically for the East Coast, along with the long-delayed Tesla Semi. The company had already begun building Model Y crossovers at the unfinished Texas Gigafactory in the fourth quarter of 2021, but now production is expected to be in significantly higher numbers. Freshly minted Tesla Model Y vehicles were spotted on Giga Texas grounds just a few days ago, so EV lovers definitely have something to look out for. Interestingly, the colors on some of those new Model Ys emerging out of Gigafactory Texas seem to be different. According to reports, the black paint looks less glossy and the red is significantly darker. According to a Tesla official, the 4,680 in-house cell project continues to progress. They are producing an increasing number of battery packs for testing purposes, and so far, the test results have been meeting their expectations. Front and rear body castings, which are both needed for the structural battery pack architecture, are being produced at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla's Texas Gigafactory will be instrumental to the car manufacturer's production goals for this year and the future. Elon Musk has been known to be an unconventional but innovative thinker, so it's definitely exciting to see how he'll develop and use this massive factory. And with that, today's video comes to a close. Are you excited about all the new vehicles being produced at the new Gigafactory? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.